Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do the last week of 2022 in my everyday planner. This is a B6 Stalogy in a leather cover from MLG Co. This is what it's looking like minus 1 week, and we're going to add that now. Okay, so I am doing the week after Christmas, so that's what, the 26th through the 1st, something like that. Yes. So I already know there's not going to be a whole lot going on. I think I have one appointment and then I have quite a few phone calls to make. But other than that, there's not much happening. So I am taking the simple way out. And I just thought this would be a better format to use with these stickers that I will be using. These are from Let's Get Planned. I did not pull any washi. I'm getting really bad about that lately. So maybe I don't need washi. I don't know, but I'll pull some. But this is what the stickers look like. And I'm thinking I'm going to try and, well, no, I got to use those balloons, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I was thinking maybe I should stick with just this sheet since I don't have a whole lot to play with here. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so that's what I am doing. And I do need something that says Happy New Year. So let's see if I have something in Dated Basics from CHELA Plan. Or did I use, well, it says New Year's Day. So I could do that. Yeah. Okay. So that'll work. I'm gonna check one more place first though. Let's check dates and holidays. This is from the Happy Planner 2017. I think this is one of my favorite Happy Planner books. And I've used it sparingly for all these years, which is probably why I still have it. But let's see if there's any holidays left in here. There's a New Year's Day, but the gold one is gone. Okay. All right, so yeah, we will have to use CHELA Plan. It's no big deal. This week is also the week of Kwanzaa, but I did Kwanzaa in my other planner. Okay, let's go for some washi tape. Oh, I got the perfect washi. I don't even need to look. The washi that I recently hauled, is simply gilded. I'm getting desperate with how I'm storing my washi. Okay, so I have all these washis from Simply Gilded. I probably won't use that one. That I can use that have that festive holiday New Year's vibe. I haven't swatched these yet, but I think I'm going to use, I think this one would work best on this. So let's start with this. So let's try this. Yeah, I'm glad this is the last week because this is getting more and more complicated to do. All right, whew, that was difficult. I don't know if I want to use, let's use it. Let me not be indecisive. Let's go for it. Okay, it's kind of late at night when I'm doing this, so I'm a little off, I think. Okay. Woo! If only you all knew how long that took. Let's do this because I love this sticker so much. It's really cool. I was a little worried that I wasn't going to be able to use it the way that I want to, but it looks like it's going to work. Oh, I just tore it. Since I already broke it, I'm just going to cut it because it's too big. I can't pick it and pull it off in one go, and I don't want to make a big mess. So I'm going to cut it and then put it together on the page. So let's see. I think I did the right thing because of the way the planner is too. It would have been a little more difficult to put that down. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot easier to take off. So the only hard part here is lining up these pieces. There we go. Okay. So it's not quite centered, but I'm okay with that. I got it on the paper. Let's put her down. I was going to put her here. I think I still will. So I am going to put this bottle over here. Let's use the mask. Nope. Let's go ahead and put down the days of the week. What days of the week do I want to use? Am I feeling the Piper Paper Company? I feel like I'm missing out on something. Maybe I can use, let's see what we got. Maybe I should use the Crafting by the Pound or these. I think I like the dark for this. I don't know. I could use these too. I haven't used these in a long time. Let's do this. Get my tweezers out. So these are my own days of the week. And these inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. You might have to go back in the perks category to find them, but they are there. And as a patron, if there is something specific that you would like, you can always message me there on Patreon and let me know, and I'll see if I am able to do it. So that is another benefit of being a patron. And if you aren't a patron and would like to look into it, the link is in the description box below. Okay, let's date this up. Do I have any dates in here that I can use? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Yes, I do. I can use these from Crafting by the Pound. Okay. Nice and bold. So I also, I was going back and forth on whether I want to use the A5 Stalogy or stay with a B6 for the new year. I'm so torn, but I think as of right now today that I'm going to stick with the Stalogy. It's time, it's really past time to be setting everything up. So I kind of printed out some things to set it up, and I think I'm going to change how I use it a little bit more. I know I said I was going to use it as a commonplace, but after looking more into that, I'm not so sure that that's going to work. But we may be more bullet journal style than usual. We'll see. We'll see. I need to think, work out the kinks in my mind a little bit more on that. I have a brain dump notebook by my bed that I have been jotting down ideas, and hopefully I can get it together and just make a decision. I'm sorry. I blanked. Okay. Is there a Kwanzaa sticker? Hold up. Maybe I don't want to use this big sticker. I have some holiday stickers in here that have yet to be used. And this has Kwanzaa. Do I want to use those? I'm not going to use those, but I don't know. I might use the text. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to use cover plan after all because that sticker is a little too big for this. So let's see what we can do with this. It is also from Let's Get Plan. They are on the ball with the holiday stickers. They have got this together. Okay, so I don't want to use the colorful ones. We can save those for next year maybe, if I have any just of the plain symbols left that are small. Yes, and I do. Yay. Okay, so I like the text here. It goes with our look better than this does. Plus these are smaller, so we're going to use those. And I am going to put down, I hope these cut right. They look a little wonky, but I'm gonna try anyway. I think they can fit this space. Okay, now I need a reference to make sure that I put these in the right order, because this order is different from my order. I think I have the symbols in the right order. Alright, I don't think I'm putting these very straight, but I'm just glad that I'm actually getting them on the page because this did not cut well. Look, this is really off. Okay, there we go. Alright, we did that. Now, let's see if I can get the words to match up. So we want this one, Umoja or Umoja. I'm not sure how you say these. I'm gonna have to put these in the box. It makes more sense because some are quite long. So this goes next, right? Then I'm going to go ahead and use the New Year's Eve from here. And then the New Year's Day here. Okay, so this is turning out to be quite a bit more than I originally anticipated. Do this because there's not going to be anything that I can do on Monday because most everywhere is going to be closed. Let's put this balloon here. This squiggly here. Little squiggly here. Let's see. I kind of want to use some of these too, but I won't. Those balloons are gorgeous though. But no. Okay, so we finished the whole sheet. I'm getting good at that. All right, let me take a peek in my holiday and see if there's anything I'm missing. I had hoped to kind of break this down, divide it up a little bit before the end of the year, but time has gotten away from me and I don't think I'm going to make it. But we will be breaking this bad boy down because it is a bit much. Yeah, I don't think I have any New Year's stuff in here. So let's put this up. Let's see, let's grab some boxes. Or a box or two. So my gold doesn't match that gold, so I'm not going to use those. Now I wish I'd have saved a couple of those stars. All right, I do have an appointment on the 28th, so I'm going to use one of these here. Let's use this here. And I fit this on Tuesday. Yes. Something a little different. Kind of wanted to use this washi tape, but nope, it's not going to work. So let's get the other stickers from here that I might need. I'm not going to have room for that. I'm not going to use any of those. I'll have to write everything in that I need to write in. And I think we have finished the year officially in this Stalogy. So I didn't have a whole lot left. I'm not sure. I guess I would have made it a couple more pages to do dailies if I wanted to. But yeah, this is all that's left. And then back here I have some sticky notes. I started this at the beginning of the year. I made it halfway through January, didn't finish. But we'll get into all of that when we do the flip through that's coming up soon. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the flip through, because this is a lot and you don't want to miss it. Okay, that is it for this setup. I use the insert glued into the Stalogy. The insert is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The deco stickers and the doll are from Let's Get Planned. The boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The days of the week are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The Kwanzaa symbols are, I think, available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. And the Kwanzaa text is from Let's Get Planned, as well as the New Year's Eve and New Year's Day scripts. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, and I'm wishing you and yours a happy new year. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I look forward to all of us hanging out together, having a good time in the new year. Thanks for watching. Bye.